shoot. I'm gonna leave this here. You guys will probably not hear me, but I hope it's not too windy. I'm gonna replace the camshaft sensor on this thing. It's been taking forever to start, and I don't know if you guys can see that. It's that green one, that green wire right there. Shake my head. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
This guy got scared, bro.
Yeah, it happens.
And he's recording. Shake my head.
It happens. I can't cut it, you know, because this is like.
What do you do?
I'm trying to. I gotta find a stand for this camera. I'm gonna replace the sensor.
You gonna do right now?
Yeah, that thing be turning off too much, you know. Okay. So.
Ain't no snow coming out?
Nah, no snow coming still. So we're gonna disconnect the battery first. So we don't want no extra, you know, curricular damage. So, I know you guys probably can't see me properly, but I'm gonna try to get what I'm getting done, so you guys can see. Now that we have the battery disconnected, it might be a little windy. It probably a little windy, but I hope you guys don't mind. It's not too hot. I just warm it up a little bit, so I have to disconnect this guy right here. This guy right here. And you don't want to be disconnected. Okay. Want to be a pain in the ass? Want to be a pain in my butt? Okay. Let me try one more time, and I'm going to get a better tool. Okay, I'm gonna get a plier so I can grab this thing. I grab the slightly better stand. I know you guys can see. I'm gonna try my best. Guys, I hope you guys can see this one. I got it up, but not really out yet, but you know what I'm saying. So I finally got to grab this thing too, you know. I swap it. I already swapped it. It took a while, you know. The camera ended up turning off too. But we got it. I think we're good. I still gotta do some wiring for the I still gotta do some wiring for the door, but that's pretty much it. In the radio maybe, because this thing been acting up, I don't know.